Here's a 2020 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. Whether discovering hidden parts of the city or being seen in all the right places, this Range Rover Evoque is always ready for action. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection notes Land Rover Range Rover Evoque breaks through with a more urban street-smart style and tones down the off-road chops. You'll stand out in a Land Rover. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.